Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name's Jaden Pedersen and I like to make videos just for you. As you can see from the back here, front bar is off. I've got it in the garage already and just fixing it up a little bit, making it look a little bit more tidier. And I'm also going to be respraying this crash bar. But for some reason I think this has been in an accident, just because the wrecker riding and also it's blue up here and down there, so who knows, your boy might have a fucking wrecked Foki. Yeah mate, she's day 4. Hey Jasper, oi, how many days? 4 days. 4 days out of 2 weeks mate. You're going good. I'm bored shitless, but we're going good. Some of you guys are probably also wondering, Jaden, you never wear a hat, and that's because I haven't had a haircut in just over 2 weeks. And yeah, good girl. But we're in here. It's nice and cool actually, and I'm just going to be adding a few more zipper ties on here because I forgot to, and then now this is busting off. Also, what I'll be doing as well is I'll be sanding this right back so it's nice and smooth, and then spraying it with just nice black because when I get it resprayed, yeah, she's going to be looking fresh. So we have some new zippy ties on here to hold this thing down, and I'm going to spray. There we go, no more fluffy girl on the side there. I'm just going to give this a quick spray over with some gloss black, and then yeah, tidy all this up underneath and then spray with black as well. So what I'm going to do right now is start the sanding process of all underneath there and up here as well. I made sure I hit that extra hard with the gurney because it started lifting up all the clear, but I've got a can of clear here just into the time being until I can get this into the spray booth, hopefully in a month's time or so. But yeah, I don't know how well you can see that on camera, but the little bit of a raised edge is the old clear, so I'm just trying to sand it, like blend it in I guess, and sand it down to the colour without going back into the base coat, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to shoot it with just a tin of clear until I can get, yeah, like I said, until I can get into the booth. But down here is probably going to be coloured black, or maybe I might even colour the whole, like the whole bottom here black. Maybe it might be easier, to be honest. So I'm going to be using the 240 grit to take out most of this rough surface area. If I need to bog it, I'll put a light bog over it. Same over here. And then I'll move up to the 320 grit and then move up to the 600 grit that I'm using in here. Alright guys, so here's the first batch of bog. Just a nice thin layer. Oh. Just like this. Here we go. Just like that. There we go. Right around there. There we have it. Just a nice thin even layer right across here. And I need to just sand all the middle here properly down. Maybe put a little bit in there. Probably put a little bit there, and then of course start on the other side. Alright, so as you can see, we've got the hole underneath all nice and bulked up. Now you can probably see that this one here is a lot darker than this one here. And that's because I was stupid enough to put too much cardon on it, and that's, yeah, I had to shuffle that out. But yeah, this is all pretty well good. Let's go! So I gave it a little rinse down after I finished sanding and everything like that and bogging. So I had to do 2 lots of bog because I missed a little divot right here and just a little bit of scratches. But yeah, you can actually see that she's going to be good. Alright guys, so I'm just going to be using some of this plastic and fiberglass primer before I shoot it with some black paint. Because yeah, so she can stick nicely on there. But as you can see back there, she's all nice and dry. Alright guys, so what you're going to do is just fucking shake around and just do a few quick coats and then just go just like this, right? Just like that. As you can see, the primer behind me is fully laid and you can't really tell much difference because it's a plastic and fiberglass primer, so it comes on clear. So I'm just going to let that sit for maybe 10-15 minutes, and then if it needs sanding back with 800 grit, I'll quickly sand it back and then shoot it with the black. Okay, so I'm in the garage. Shout out to the chair. I don't know whose that is, but shout out to the chair. It's going to be used as my little trestle thing. I need to run down to Super Cheap tomorrow because I ran out of the spray paint that I was using. Yeah, because there's only a quarter in there, but I wasn't expecting to paint the bottom end of my rear bar. I was only meant to be painting my crash bar black, but you know, we need to just go down to Super Cheap tomorrow. And I might hit this with another coat of black as well. Gang shit. I'm just going to be checking back with you guys in the morning once it's all dry, and then I get more paint. Happy days. In 3 seconds it's going to be daytime, so 3, 2, 1. Welcome back guys, it's the next day, and this is where I've left off. So I got the paint in there, got some more sandpaper. But as you can see, there's like a little bit of a light mark there because there wasn't clearly enough paint, and that's still the bog showing up through. So I'm just going to give this a quick sand down, just a nice little sand down, but it still feels a little bit tacky over here. Now, feels good all the way through here. You can see I ran a little bit there. I'm not the best painter, but you know, practice makes perfect. Or just make shit projects. She's nicely sanded now. Just need to give it a quick rinse down to get all this extra paint off and whatnot. I'm just trying to feel out for high and low spots. Gave her that rinse down. She's just going to dry out, and I'm going to quickly wash the crash bar so I can spray that with gloss black. Be all mad. Legit. So I got this copper looking colour because it's got metallic in it, and I really like anything with metallic, but I don't know what to spray it on. But I also got this blue because some of you guys know that I love the colour blue. I got it because it was like $2.50 a can. So some of you guys are probably wondering why you're using cheap paint, and the answer is it's going in to get professionally painted, hopefully in a month or so. And I just cannot stand the like scrape marks on the bottom of it, so I just wanted to hide that up a little bit. But I'm not too sure if I'm using that front bar yet or if I'm buying a new one. Most likely I'll be buying a new one just because there's a little bit too much work for my liking. Like there's like divots here and stuff like that, and just all shit marks, and so this is probably going to go in the bin. But I wanted to give a shot of spray painting myself. But yeah, I'm no master when it comes to spray painting. I just want to you know, spray paint, I guess. I'm quite bored with quarantine. So yesterday I forgot to tape up that crease right there. And yeah, so I left all the scratches in it. So I used 2000 grit. First off I used 1000 grit and then 2000 grit just to, because it wasn't deep scratches, it was just in the clear coat. So I'm just gonna, I sanded it back down to the clear coat, and I'm gonna hit it with the clear coat that I've got here. So no big deal. She's all cardboarded up and cleaned. Just need to wait for it to dry. Coat 1, or maybe 2 or 3. This is just a really light coat so it can stick to each other. But yeah, I didn't want to go over top. Now I need to paint the crash bar and Yeah. Before. Now look at it. After. So this is with, I think, one coat. This is a very high gloss for a cheap paint, like, not bad. But yeah, you can see that I've blended it in with here, and then I'll have to buff it out later. But yeah, this is only one coat of clear, but yeah, she's looking good. She's looking good. This is where I'm going to leave today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, because if you don't, Jasper will cry, and myself. But yeah, I just need to clean this car, make it look presentable. If you can do that with a Focus, who knows. But yeah, anyway guys, this is me. I'm signing out. Stay fresh, stay clean, and I'll see you guys in the next scene. Yeah, you.
No friends.